Well, as South Africans, we need to embrace new technologies because as the world progresses to electric mobility, fewer and fewer ICE vehicles will be needed, which means that automatically, due to economies of scale, ICE vehicles are going to become more expensive, whether we like it or not. So we can't hold on to old technologies because those old technologies are going to become more and more expensive and unaffordable. So there will be a natural progression to electric mobility. And so we have to embrace it now. And I think as South Africans, we mustn't be scared. We must embrace it. But at the same time, we need to be responsible in the sense that we need to support local manufacturers over the imported manufacturers who just bring in cars and basically, the money leaves the country. We need to support local manufacturers, and events like this help us to become more aware of what is out there, the technologies, the companies, the players in the market, and then to embrace them, support, and transition our minds from maybe just doing transactional purchasing, but become conscientious purchasers, buying out of principle, to support more local manufacturers, more local technologies. And by doing that, we will sustain our local industry, which is, if we don't do that, in for a major catastrophe. So the message behind the drive here for e-mobility and also from Megamillion is we need to support local. We need to put our shoulders to the wheel, excuse the pun, and we need to embrace e-mobility faster than we are told to. And we've got to demystify all the myths behind e-mobility. But more importantly, support local.